So what we're going to look at today is the Cam Scanner app. And basically what you do is you click on the app icon after you've downloaded it on your phone, and you'll see that there's files that automatically can come up if you've done this before. What we're going to do is use this camera button, and what that'll do is let us take a picture of our document that we're trying to scan. So what we're trying to do here is scan our study guide page with the handwritten answers. Now it's set on docs, and you had seen that it came up as a batch before. That means you can scan more than one document. So we're just going to take the document in the field and we're going to click on, as you can see, I'm going to click on the camera button. Okay, so when I do that, it's going to take a picture, and we're going to see that it creates one page of the document. So let's get another page of the document in. You can see another page here, and what we do is we just focus it inside the center of this. We take another picture of it, and then that's going to be our document. So what you'll see is that there's a little check mark here. Just hit the check and it saves that document, and you can see that there's 2 pages associated with it, and then you see the little share icon. So all you're going to do, what I'm going to do, is just click on the share, and then I'm going to share the PDF, okay, form, and we're just going to go, it says it exceeds the 1 megabyte allowance, so we're just going to go down to the medium size. Just choose that, and it's going to be okay. Then it asks you how you want to share it, and you're going to go with Gmail. Okay, and then just type in your own my.gvltec address, and so I'll do the same thing. Okay, and so you can see I'm sending it to myself, and I'm just going to hit the send button. Okay, that's all you need to do. You send it to yourself, and then if you're using a computer at home, you will save it to your drive, and then using that file, you can rename it properly if you want. You can attach it to your Blackboard study guide submission, and that is how you do Cam Scanner.